How to create WooCommerce product attributes. Go to Products and click on Attributes to add attributes. In Add New Attributes section, add a name for the attribute. Add a slug, optional. This is the URL-friendly version of the name. Enable archives if desired. If enabled, you can view a page with all products having this attribute. Select a default sort order. Choose between name, numeric, term ID, or custom ordering. Click on Add Attribute. Now you see the attribute is added in the table on the right, but without values. Select the Configure Terms text to add attribute values. Next, add New Attribute Name, where attribute name automatically takes the name you gave the attribute in the previous step. And you can add a slug and description, which are optional. And finally, click on Add New Number. Now in the right table, you see the added attribute. Add as many values as you wish. Now click on Attributes in the sidebar to see added values.
Thanks for watching. Please support us by like and subscribe to our channel, and checking the description for more information.